Yo, what is good, everyone? So we're back for another trade recap slash market recap. So today, actually, I guess I messed up. I don't know. I thought FOMC was at 2 p. I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but I swear I was on my Forex Factory and it said everything was going down at 12 then 12:30. Now I don't know if I was on the wrong date or whatever, but I mean I guess we did have FOMC at 2 p.m. I thought it was at 12:30. I swear I was looking at the right one, but I'm not even sure honestly at this point. But hey, the trade did end up playing out, so I'm gonna break down what I want, what I was looking for going in for the day. So, since FOMC quote unquote for me was gonna be at 12 or 12:30, I hopped on like 20 minutes before that. Now I did notice that price was moving during the whole New York session. We did start pushing up the entire day. So during open, we did have our little manipulation here. We came down, we took all this liquidity down here, and then that pushed us higher over here. Now, the first thing I did notice was this 15-minute fair value gap. So price was just kind of inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, and we were rejecting this area. So I was expecting to see, okay, if we don't come up and take out this buy side liquidity up here, which is going to be my draw on liquidity, I was like, okay, if we don't come up and take out this buy side up here, then we should probably start maybe looking for a reversal back down. If we go back to if we go on the hourly time frame as well too, we also did have another fair value gap down here that price could have rebounced into. So this would have been a good area to take for price to come back down, get some liquidity, and then push up higher. So I was expecting price overall to be bearish during this entire move during this area. Now, assuming that quote unquote FOMC was at 12:30 from what I was looking at. Now, if we come back down on the 1 minute time frame, so on this move higher, we did actually, so when we started pushing up, we swept this buy side liquidity up here. So we took that. And then on the 1 minute time frame as well too, we also did take out this internal high as well right here. So we took out this internal high and then we rejected it as well too. So I like this displacement here. Now you could have taken this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and then this would have been a fire short as well too. But I waited for the 3 minute for more confirmation, just because it was a more obvious gap, you could say. And I just wanted this 3 minute to get inversed here. So now once this 3 minute got inversed right here, we had our change in the state of delivery right here as well too. So what did we have? We have a 15-minute fair value gap get tapped into. Internal liquidity was taken on the 1 minute time frame as well too. We had our push higher, took out the internal liquidity, and then we manipulated lower coming back down. We had our change in the state of delivery, and our entry was obviously an IFVG. That is my model that I trade. So I did end up taking my short on the candle close right here on the 3 minute. My entry was right there. I put my stop loss at this high right here. Stop was at this high right here, and then my target was these relative equal lows on the 2 minute time frame. You guys look over here, we have these relative equal lows right here on the 2 minute time frame. So this is my TP, and then my first TP was 50% of this fair value gap right here. So there you go. So that's the trade right there. We went for a 1 to 2.73 risk to reward ratio. Now this trade did end up hitting. It went by really smooth. Now as soon as 12 p.m. hit right here, we had that manipulation higher. So I was like, all right, bet. So then I'm pretty sure the price is gonna come back down, and we should come back and fill out this 1 hour fair value gap that we left unfilled down here. Now price did exactly what I thought it was gonna do, and the trade ended up being a banger. So what some key takeaways from today is I have no idea what calendar I was looking at, but I mean, hey, the trade ended up playing out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my trade breakdown for the day. So I'll show you guys my executions actually as well too, so you guys don't think I'm capping out here. There you go. So there's my execution. So I got my fill right here. First TP was right there, and then the final one were the relative equal lows. So yeah, so that's my trade breakdown for the day. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Stay blessed. I will be posting these more often now. Now I have been getting my ass handed during the market for like the past couple 2 weeks. Actually, I'll show you guys my stats on this new eval. So I'm kind of like break even on this eval right now. I've been trading it for about a week and a half now. I did end up blowing my two funded accounts, unfortunately. So I de-risked and went back down to just one funded or one challenge, you could say. And we're just gonna see what I end up doing with it. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Stay blessed, and I'm out. Peace out.